Get materials ready. Carefully remove the panels. Take the wide panel, place on tie-dye fabric. Find the area you like. Mark around the panel's edge. Cut the fabric along your marks. Apply glue to the solid panel. Stick the fabric on. Press smooth with your hands. Trim excess fabric from the back. Peel sticker off, stick on tie-dye fabric. Apply glue to tin panel, stick on wide panel. Apply glue to the back. Stick on tie-dye fabric. Attach soft ceramic piece to panel back. Finally, apply glue to bottom. Attach silver decoration. Apply glue to bottom. Attach silver decoration. Apply glue to bottom. Attach silver decoration.